A challenging day here on Forex Trendy 5-minute charts. Watch the video until the end because I'm gonna show you the winners and the losers of the day. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Here we are with another Forex Trendy episode. Today I'm gonna show you the best and the worst trade on the 5-minute charts. I am a day trader and I'm using this online tool daily for my day trading activity. Be aware that I have more than 30 strategies, so this is just a little part of my of my trading strategies, and I'm pretty confident will continue to use this amazing online tool. Of course, I'm very selective. I don't trade all the signals here, but I just try to take the best signals in order to make profit according to my price action reading and trading strategies. So before starting, subscribe to my channel. If you want to use Forex Trendy, you will find the link below in the description. And as I usually stress my viewers at the beginning of my videos, I wanna give you my golden advice. You should have strategies before entering the market. You cannot trade blindly because you're gonna lose money. So the first trade of the day here on the 5-minute chart is oil. We have a flag sell signal, break at 39.76. So the breakout at first was good, then the price retraced a little bit, retesting the trend line, and then continued to fall down, but failed to reach the previous lows here around 38.94 and started to lateralize, forming this channel, okay, between 40.28 and 39.48, 39.54. So this is the main reason why you should have strategies, because you know how to act on every market scenario. So let's jump to the silver. Rising wedge, sell signal, break at 24.55. The price action looks pretty good, even though we have this very strong sell-off here, and then the price retraced at least 61% of the previous bearish impulse. And then this rising wedge formed. After the breakout, the price retraced, retesting the trend line, and then continued to fall down, reaching the 23.94. So it reached the previous low here. For day traders and scalpers out there, was a very good trade. Let's jump to the USD, and as we see, we can see just a little part of the chart, so we don't have a clear understanding of the whole price action. But this pattern doesn't doesn't look really good to me, because the price action looks a little bit choppy. It looks like we are in a range. In fact, after the breakout, the price reached the 91.71 level, the previous high, okay, inside this channel, and then after this double top fell down, retesting again the bottom of the channel, and then it started to go up, climbing up to 92.01. so with this first channel breakout here around 91.68. So pay attention, guys, when you're trading the forex market. Always trade these continuation patterns during trends, okay? If you're trading them inside the channel, well, pay attention and protect your capital, because you're gonna lose money in a fraction of a second. Let's jump to the USD and the Japan yen. This is the one of the best trade of the day. I was trading this pair this morning here in Europe. This flag is pretty nice, even though it's a little bit too steep, but it's still acceptable. It's a total personal call, of course. After this low retesting the 104.41 level, the price broke through the trend line, retested the 01453 level. going up and retesting the 105.06. So a very nice trade for day traders out there looking for good opportunities. Let's jump to the euro and the Swiss franc. Again, the price action doesn't look really good. Doesn't really look so good, because we have lateral action. Okay, we had this very nice channel here. Even though a double bottom formed inside the flag, the price failed to reach this previous high. Okay, around 0.769. Not a good signal for me, but other guys maybe took it. As usual, it's a total personal call. Let's jump to silver. It was a very nice day very active day for silver here on Forex Trendy. Even though the signals were not so good. Okay, after this very strong sell-off, we have a flag just retesting the previous low. So for me, it is a signal of weakness, because the price was just retesting this previous low and retraced, trying to form a double bottom, but honestly failed to go up. It started to lateralize. The first retracement was good, around 71%, 76. So the price action doesn't really look promising. Okay. Let's jump to the Euro USD. The USD is ranking higher, and the Euro is weakening because investors are looking at USD like a safe haven in this virus concerns. And the price action looks pretty choppy, especially here during the Asian session as usual. Then before the Europe opening, the price fell down, reaching the 1724 level. And at London time, the big guys came in and tried to pull up, reaching the 1765 level. The price broke through the trend line here, 1745. We have a sell signal, but the price failed to fall down at first. Retraced entirely inside the pattern, retesting this previous level here around 1759. And then started to go down, reaching the 1698 level. So again, this is why you should have a strategy, because you need to know how to react in every market scenario. Are you gonna bail out? Are you gonna stay in the trade? You will leave the market breathing. It's up to you. So you cannot act freak out because you are afraid to lose your money. When you don't have a clear price action like this, because price was ranging. Don't look at the continuation pattern of the triangle, but you see this range here. The price was ranging. What are you gonna do here? Especially if you are trading ranges. Okay, this is a false breakout here because the price then went back up, especially at the London time. This is why you should have a strategy. It's mandatory. It's mandatory. Remember it. Let's look at the last trade of the day here on gold. We're falling wedge buy signal break at 0997. Again, we have a ranging market, and after the breakout, the price reached the 1630 level, previously tested, but failed to reach the top here around 1911. So as you can see, it's very important to trade this continuation pattern during trends. Channels are pretty challenging. This is why you need more strategies for your forex trading activity. Bear in mind that I have in my settings I have reliability on medium, but you can go for high or highest and you will receive only high quality, super high quality signals. I like to do my technical analysis. This is why I'm able to filter most of the signals. Of course, I have my losers, but my price action reading plus my strategies allow me to make money. So it's very important, guys. Remember, exercise on price action and build your strategies, backtest them, check if they are working, and you'll be safe. So leave a comment below. Let me know what you think on your on this video, and share your experience on your forex market, forex trading. For today is everything. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Bye bye.